When you start a new project in QGIS, what you get is a blank map canvas. So it is better to have a base map to see where we are working on. There are two methods of adding base maps in QGIS. One is adding a base map as a XYZ tile, and the other one is through a plugin. So first I'll show you how to add a base map as a XYZ tile. So after you open QGIS, go to the browser panel. So this is the browser panel, and in the browser panel you should see this XYZ tiles. So in my case I have already added two base maps. I will show you how to add a new base map. So select XYZ tiles, right click on it and click on new connection. So here you have to provide a URL to a base map. I will provide the URL in the video description, and alternatively you can also search on Google or even ask from ChatGPT to give you some URLs like I have done here. So after you got the URL for the particular base map you need, copy that URL and paste the URL in this box, and you can give a particular name for this. So in this case I am using the URL for Google hybrid map, so I will give that name. You can give any name you like and click on OK. So after the XYZ tile is added, you can click it and drag it into the map canvas. So this is the base map, and you can zoom in and it will work as a normal Google map. So like that you can add any base map if you have the URL for that base map, and drag it into your map canvas and use it for your GIS work. The second method of adding a base map in QGIS is adding it through a plugin. So to install a plugin in QGIS, you have to go to plugins through the menu and click on manage and install plugins. So here you can go into all tab and search for quick map services. So this is the plugin that you have to install. To install the plugin, click on this button. So now it is installed, and you can see the plugin here. And now you can close the plugin manager, and now go into web in the menu bar, and under the web you should see quick map services, and here you should see a list of all the base maps provided by this plugin. If you don't see all these options, what you should do is go into settings and go into more services and click on get contributed pack. So it will download all the packages and update the plugin, and click on save, and now you will get all the base maps provided by this plugin. So for example, under Google you can get Google hybrid. So if you click on the Google hybrid, you will get the Google hybrid base map. Like any other Google map, you can zoom in and go to your particular interested area. Other than that, so in addition, it has all the other Google maps, and even S3 base maps and Bing maps, and also this is the OpenStreetMap. So this is also something that we can use when we do GIS work. And if you need to know more about this plugin, you can again go into manage plugins, and under these quick map services, if you go into more information, you can see a link to the home page of the plugin. In that home page, you can get more information about this plugin and how to use the plugin. So that is how you can add a base map to QGIS. Let's meet you in the next video.